Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Okaloosa County in northwestern Florida until 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:38 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Baker, or 10 miles west of Crestview, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Crestview and Baker. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Okaloosa, Florida.